Welcome to MCT Group, where precision meets perfection. Today, we are excited to take you on a journey into the heart of our state-of-the-art facility, where innovation and quality craftsmanship come together. At MCT Injection Mold Shop, we specialize in the production of high-precision injection mold tools and injection moldings. Our commitment to excellence and cutting-edge technology sets us apart in the industry. Precision is the cornerstone of our operations. Our team of highly skilled engineers and technicians work tirelessly to ensure that every mold tool we produce meets the strictest standards of accuracy and durability. Whether you are in need of intricate and complex mold tools or flawless injection moldings, MCT has you covered. Our versatile production capabilities cater to a wide range of industries, from automotive to consumer electronics. Thank you for joining us on this tour of MCT Injection Mold Shop. If you're in search of high precision and high quality injection mold tools and moldings, look no further. Contact us today, and let's turn your ideas into reality.